Ever wonder how some YouTube channels thrive without showing a single face? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels and how you can use AI to create content that captivates and connects with viewers effortlessly. And trust me, this AI is all about that hustle, just like me. You know what's better than making money? Making money without showing your face, working in your pajamas, and letting AI do half the work for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're breaking down 5 high-paying faceless YouTube niches that you can start right now using AI. We're talking about building an empire from your bedroom, becoming the next YouTube sensation, all without ever hitting that record button yourself. Get ready to have your minds blown because AI is changing the game, and we're about to show you how to win. Let's do this. First up, we have personal finance and investing. Money is a topic that never goes out of style, and people are always looking for financial advice. And let's be real, who better to trust than an AI that can analyze millions of data points in seconds to find the best investments? Okay, maybe not entirely, but you get the idea. Think about it. Videos on budgeting, investing for beginners, understanding the stock market, even cryptocurrencies. The possibilities are endless. You can create super informative videos using AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, even the visuals themselves. Imagine this. You put out a video explaining compound interest with cool animated graphics that AI made. Boom! Your viewers are hooked, they're learning, and you're racking up those views. And the best part? You can do all of this without ever having to show your face or reveal your own financial portfolio. Now I know what you're thinking. AI Unchained. Do I need to be a financial expert to make this work? And the answer is a big fat no. You can leverage AI to research trends, find interesting statistics, and even craft the perfect scripts. Your job is to curate the information and present it in a way that is engaging and easy to understand. Don't forget about using real-life stories and examples. People connect with narratives. You could even use AI to create fictionalized scenarios that illustrate financial concepts in a fun and memorable way. The key here is consistency. Just like building any successful YouTube channel, you need to be delivering high-quality content on a regular schedule. But with AI by your side, creating that content becomes a whole lot easier and faster. Next up is AI and tech tutorials, one of the fastest-growing niches right now. AI is everywhere, and people are hungry to learn how to use it for productivity, automation, and business. It's like everyone wants a piece of that AI magic, and you can be the one to show them how it's done. Think about it. Tutorials on using AI writing tools, creating stunning AI art, even building simple AI-powered websites. The demand for this knowledge is huge, and it's only going to get bigger. Imagine this. You create a step-by-step guide on how to use a specific AI tool to automate a tedious task. People are going to love you for it. They'll be saving time, getting more done, and you'll be the one they thank for it. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this work. In fact, you can use AI to help you learn the ropes. There are AI tools out there that can write code, create presentations, and even generate video scripts. All you have to do is tell them what you need. You can even use AI to create stunning visuals for your videos. Imagine showing off cool AI-generated animations or graphics while you explain a complex concept. It's a surefire way to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. The key here is to focus on practical, actionable advice. Don't just talk about the theory of AI, show people how to use it in their everyday lives. And don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools and techniques. The more you learn, the more value you can provide to your audience. Health and wellness is another high-paying niche, but without needing to be a doctor. Just focus on general topics like productivity, mindfulness, or simple home workouts. People are always looking for ways to improve their lives, and you can be the one to guide them on their journey to a healthier, happier self. Imagine this. You create a series of videos on mindfulness techniques, complete with calming music and AI-generated visuals of serene landscapes. Or maybe you share simple, effective home workouts that anyone can do, no matter their fitness level. The key here is to be relatable and approachable. You don't need to be a fitness model or a Zen master to connect with your audience. Just share your own experiences, your own struggles, and your own triumphs. People are more likely to trust someone who is genuine and authentic, even if that someone is AI unchained. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. Share inspiring stories of people who have overcome challenges and achieved their health and wellness goals. You can even use AI Unchained to help you find and curate these stories. Another great approach is to focus on specific niches within the health and wellness space. For example, you could create a channel dedicated to yoga, meditation, healthy eating, or even sleep hygiene. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a more targeted audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. And the best part? You can use AI Unchained to help you create all of this content. From generating workout routines to writing scripts to creating calming music and visuals, AI Unchained can be your secret weapon for building a successful health and wellness channel. If you love the finer things in life, but your bank account disagrees, this niche is for you. The luxury and lifestyle niche is all about showcasing the best of the best. Exotic travel destinations, high-end fashion, gourmet food, you name it. And the best part is, you don't need to be a millionaire to create content in this space. Think about it, you can use AI to create stunning travel videos, complete with drone footage of breathtaking landscapes and voiceovers that transport your viewers to another world. Or maybe you showcase the latest fashion trends with AI-generated models strutting down virtual runways. The key here is to focus on the aspirational aspect of luxury. People are drawn to this niche because it allows them to escape from their everyday lives and indulge in a little bit of fantasy. Your job is to create that fantasy world for them, even if it's just through the screen, and don't be afraid to get creative. You can use AI to create unique and engaging content formats like virtual tours of luxury homes, behind-the-scenes looks at high-end events, or even interviews with AI-generated versions of celebrities and influencers. Another great approach is to focus on specific aspects of the luxury lifestyle. For example, you could create a channel dedicated to luxury travel, fashion, food, or even cars. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a more targeted audience and establish yourself as a curator of the finer things in life. And the best part? You can use AI to help you create all of this content. From generating travel itineraries to writing product reviews to creating stunning visuals, AI can be your secret weapon for building a successful luxury and lifestyle channel. Last but not least, the motivational and success stories niche. People love hearing rags to riches journeys and self-improvement tips. It's all about that hustle, that drive to be better, and you can be the voice that inspires millions to chase their dreams. Think about it. You can use AI to create powerful videos featuring inspiring stories of people who overcame incredible odds to achieve success. Or maybe you share practical tips and strategies for personal growth, all delivered in a compelling and engaging way. The key here is to be authentic and relatable. People can spot a phony a mile away, so it's important to be genuine in your desire to help others. Share your own struggles, your own failures, and your own triumphs. Let people know that you're human, even if you are using AI to help you create your content. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. People are hardwired to connect with stories, so use them to your advantage. Share stories of people who have overcome adversity, achieved their goals, and made a difference in the world. These stories will resonate with your audience and inspire them to take action in their own lives. Another great approach is to focus on specific niches within the motivational and success space. For example, you could create a channel dedicated to entrepreneurship, personal development, productivity, or even relationships. By focusing on a specific niche, you can attract a more targeted audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. And the best part? You can use AI to help you create all of this content. From generating speech scripts to finding inspiring quotes to creating powerful visuals, AI can be your secret weapon for building a successful motivational and success stories channel. One last thing before you go, don't feel like you have to stick to just one niche. Some of the most successful Faceless channels mix multiple niches to make their content unique. So get creative, experiment, and see what works best for you. Alright, now it's your turn. Out of these 5 niches, which one excites you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. You might just inspire someone else to start their own channel. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Unless you want your future AI overlords to judge you. Just saying. Keep hustling, keep dreaming big, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!